How to make newspaper tube. Learn to make paper tubes using newspaper, magazines, telephone directory, notebook, A4 paper. It's very simple to roll paper tubes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make newspaper tubes with different thickness and how to get white tubes from newspaper. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe my channel for latest updates and hit the bell button for notifications. And give this video a big thumbs up. For this you will need newspaper, magazine, telephone directory, A4 paper, scissor or cutter, glue stick or white glue, very fine stick, thin stick or thick stick. So let's start. To make newspaper stick, we need a sheet of newspaper. Fold this sheet into half and press it like this. Once again, fold into half and press it. Now with the cutter, cut into sections. Now you have 4 equal parts, 2 with more printable and 2 with white edges. First we start with this cutout. Open it. Here I am taking very fine stick. Place it on the corner of the newspaper at an acute angle. This will give you a long tube. Tuck under the corner edge and then roll with your fingers. And then carefully lift the tube, holding the end of the stick in my right hand and rolling the paper around with my left hand. When you reach the end, apply a small amount of glue to secure in place. Now we are going to try out with white edges. Place it on the corner of the newspaper at an acute angle. Tuck under the corner edge and then roll with your fingers and then carefully lift the tube, holding the end of the stick in my right hand and rolling the paper around with my left. When you reach the end, apply a small amount of glue to secure the place. So you have white tubes with you. You can see the differences. Now we are going to use another barbecue stick to get little more thickness. The same way, start rolling it. Here you have thick tubes with you. Now we will be using thicker barbecue stick and roll the same way. So now we have thicker tubes with us. Here we are going to use telephone directory page. Fold this into 3 parts. And you get 3 sections. Now taking fine stick, roll it in the same way. Now using A4 paper, cut this into 3 equal parts and roll it as shown. Take another thick and roll the paper same way. And you have beautiful tubes with you. You can see the differences. From this paper tubes we can make plenty of beautiful craft project. And if you want to see my art and craft project, you just need to go and watch my previous videos. And my friends, I'm coming with beautiful Christmas craft. So keep watching my videos. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss any of my videos. Hope this video was very helpful. If yes, please give a big thumbs up and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.